So everybody is up in arms about the new national ID bill that the Senate just passed. I did a whole video explaining what the national ID bill was and why they are implementing it months ago. So what I'm going to do is link that video in the description box, and if you want to go back and watch it, you can. But I'm going to put it in simple layman's terms. The national ID bill is going to replace the census in Jamaica, because the census in Jamaica is old as hell and it does not keep accurate track of people in Jamaica. All the national ID bill is people are going to be required to have an ID. Simple. Anywhere in the world you go, you have to have a form of identification to know whether you're a citizen, returning resident, or you're a visitor. Simple. People are talking about how it's the mark of the beast and it's the end of time, and they're going to put a chip in their hand and they're going to scan your retina, and y'all sound dumb and dunce. Okay? I tried to explain it to people, but one fool make many. I don't know who the hell came up with this mark of the beast and 666. That's the national identification bill in Jamaica. But Jamaican people, if you want to hide something from them, put it in the form of a book or put it in something that they have to read, because them not read it. But them depend social media every day and depend them phone every day. What is your phone doing? Your phone is embedded with an IP address to all your social media. Isn't that tracking? Isn't that the mark of the beast? Isn't that 666? Your bank account has a specific routing number and a specific number accounted to you. Is that 666? Is that the mark of the beast? Jamaican people, kill me. Kill me. And months ago when I was going over this bill, no one cared about it. But as soon as it is actually passed and these people are fine-tuning it and actually putting it in place, that's when they want to talk about it and kick up rumpus and talk pure foolishness. A lot of Jamaican people are not worried about what's happening in their country. They're not worried about these big expensive highways and tollways that are being built in Jamaica. They don't give a damn. They don't realize, they don't even care that the Chinese is taking over our country, liquor by liquor. But you're on social media, they kick up rumpus about the national ID bill, which is not only going to track our population, but keep good account of who visits in our country and who is actually residents in our country. When you got embassy and they file on a United States passport, you're willing to give them on a fingerprint, retina, and all that. But you won't do that in your own country though. But if you go to some foreign country, you're willing to give them your fingerprint, ID, retina, ears, hole, scan, anything them want from them can get it. But when it comes to your country trying to prosper and actually put something good into place for you guys, for your safety, and make sure our people is good, no one do it. A mark of the beast and a 666, and it's everything that's bad, and it's the end of time. You know the amount of time you hear church people talk about God a come and all know may get older, they have pitney, and all know God can't come yet. Anytime Jamaica is doing something that is going to prosper, make the country better, always opposed to it. Always have some foolishness to talk about. When it actually mattered and when you guys should have said something about it, if you guys were worried about your privacy, was months ago when they proposed the bill in the first place, not when they passed it. Y'all sound dumb and dunce on social media, and anybody on social media can come and sell on any foolishness and take you up and run with it, because that's how dunce and gullible you guys are nowadays. if it's not spelled out to you guys don't do your own research. All I don't want to be is spoon fed. This generation is so lackadaisical and lazy. They can't do their own research on something that's going to directly affect them and find out exactly what it is. So this video, I'm so done talking because I'm pissed off talking about this. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. Big up to all my loyal subscribers and the real Jamaicans them that actually read the bill and actually know what the bill is about. Okay? That took the time out to know what the bill is about and did their own research. And I have people that look on Jamaicans like they're dumb, and I'm no supporter of any party, but I support this bill.